Good afternoon, Paul Hartley here, Project Manager for ECO. It's the 17th of February 2025. Since you last saw us where we were doing the vibration stone columns, the ground stabilisation, we've now moved on a bit. Since that point, we put down a bentonite liner, which is a clay liner across the whole site, which protects the site in case there is a spill. We then built up all the levels. Today, we've got a 200 cubic metre concrete pour going on. That's the third concrete base we're pouring at the moment. These are the bases for the digester tanks. Over here, we've got Welltec who are building the first of the digester tanks. That's built in 1.5 metre high sections. All the panels are brought in, bolted together, and then they're lifted up. You'll notice on the side of the tank there's lots of jacks. They lift the whole tank in one go. Then they build the next level underneath. There's 7 layers altogether, which makes the side of the tank 8.8 metres high. They then put the gas dome on top, making it a 12.5 metre high tank in total, holding 6 million litres of digestate for each tank. Also this week, we're starting work on the new feed barn. So we can see in the distance there is the old dryer barn. That's going to start being dismantled this week. And then in its place, we're building a newer, larger building, which will take all the food waste from the local areas, depackage it, turn it into food soup to feed the digesters on the anaerobic digester plant here.